As communities rise, we've already dug in. Seeing that there's more work to be done, the whole crew working as one. Everyone owning their role and the result. Any ground, any distance, any time. Where yellow iron meets an iron will. While the world looks up, imagining the possibilities, we work below, drilling them into existence. It's important work and a promise, one that's renewed by each generation. All of it made possible by the men and women tough enough to shoulder the responsibility of moving a nation forward. We rise to the occasion each day because we drill America.